If you love fall and all the smells that come along with it, all the spices, the fruits, the freshly baked things from the oven, then I have a tip for you. I'm Melissa from the blog hymnsandhome.com, and today I'm excited to share with you a fall simmer pot. Now, if you don't know what a fall simmer pot is, let me explain really quickly. It's really simple and exactly what it sounds like. It's literally just a pot of good smelling stuff simmering away on your stove, making your house smell amazing. The thing I really love about simmer pots is that you can achieve that awesome smell in your house without the use of anything artificial. It's super easy to do, and I'm going to share that recipe with you in just a second. But if you love modern cottage living and all things homemade and thrifted, I would really appreciate it if you could take a second to hit that subscribe button and help me grow my channel and my business. All you're going to do is put all the ingredients I share with you into a pot, put it on your stove uncovered, and just let it simmer on low for as long as you want. And every so often, you will need to check the water level to be sure it's not drying out, but just add a little bit of water to it and keep it simmering, and your house will smell wonderful. All right, let's get to it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as my family and I have. We had one going the other day and it made the house smell amazing. And I actually already had a few people on Instagram tell me that they've tried my recipe and loved it. So I really encourage you to give it a try. It's so simple, so quick, and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please consider doing that. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And you can check out the blog at hymnsandhome.com or follow me on Instagram at hymnsandhome. Thanks so much.